Okay, pose. What are you doing?
She's slowly.
Where them day?
That girl is a real crowd pleaser. Small world, all her friends know me. Young bull living like an old geezer. Release the cash, watch it fall slowly. Frat girl still trying to get even. Haters mad for whatever reason. Smoke in the air, binge drink.
The layer of the not layered thing. What are you talking about?
You and your sister.
Speak English.
Yeah, people are not speaking English.
Yeah, I know.
People are speaking Swahili.
Looper. Oh, you got your hook still. I have to wear your ring.
She can edit that out.
Are we? Am I?
She won't, Esther.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So
Did you realize my earring has come out?
Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I've got, what's your name?
I'm JojoFine01.
She's Jojo. She's Jojo. And this is JojoFine01, and this is KKGLAMOVERS EJK. Oh, that's nice. That is so cool. Awesome.
Yeah,
so in today's video, we're going to be doing our makeup challenge. So we have a list of makeup steps, i.e. like putting primer, foundation, and all that stuff. We have it written in papers and we have it in a bowl. So whatever we pick is what we're going to start with, and we're going to continue with until we get to the very last paper. So that's basically what's going to happen. And also, we're also going to be doing another video on Kevin's channel. Are we doing one on your channel as well?
No, I don't know.
Okay, we'll figure it out. Why do you look scared?
I'm just nervous.
So be sure to keep on watching this video to see what silliness or craziness we're going to cook up in this video. And be sure to subscribe and visit these two's channel right here. I'm going to put the link down below, okay? So without further ado,
let's begin.
yeah,
We'll begin.
okay.
Shake.
Yeah, there's no even point looking away because we can't see anything. Let's put this down, then we'll pick next one.
I have picked
What did you pick?
mascara.
Why would you start with mascara?
How am I going to spray my face?
Yeah,
I didn't even think about that one, you know.
you after I listed the thing for you, you actually
You
said
were mascara.
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 You're the one who didn't go.
I could have just left that mascara and just.
Oh, that looks pretty.
It's a nice brush.
The brush
This is for the bottom lash, so I'm using the Maybelline Great Lash Mascara.
I'm using the F
Yep.
mascara.
Yeah, I'm using the Great Lash as well.
Lord Jesus.
Yeah.
Dropped one.
We have lipstick. Mascara and lipstick. What a weird combination.
I know, right? I'm using the MAC Red Matte lipstick in the shade
Do you need help?
Bird Spy.
Using Sleek Matte Me.
Oh, I love that.
What's it called? Velvet Slipper.
Yep, what are you
I'm using MAC Patrick Star collaboration.
Collabo.
Collabo.
Yeah.
I'm using the collabo of MAC and Patrick Star called Mama Star.
Mama Star. I look pretty.
And look weird.
We look
Is
good.
that my complete face? This looks weird. This looks ashy.
You guys look good. This is bright. The day is bright. It's brighter there. Oh, happy day.
This
The
looks
day
ashy.
of joy.
Okay, it's okay. Let's not go and pay royalty for that one.
Okay. We have lipstick on.
Lipstick on. Yours is even better.
Yeah.
Because it's bold. Look at me. I look ashy.
Imagine having to put primer on top of foundation.
What? I didn't even think of that.
Let's say that. Let's say that.
Why did you call that?
See primer. Primer.
I don't know.
Primer.
Let's see.
Primer.
Oh, I just tore it too.
Pick primer.
Okay. Put eyelashes.
Hey, we haven't done eyeshadow. We're going to do lashes.
I'm not a fan of this competition.
Of the challenges.
So it's a challenge, not a competition. I'm not a fan. I just need lipstick, mascara, now I'm lashes. And I was saying I can't see when I do it. I look like, you know, all those aunties I don't know how to.
I like how she did a little just to see.
You know those aunties that you see with long lashes and,
and lipstick. And you're like, something is missing in between.
There's no foundation.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you, the full face is missing.
Okay, you wanna come closer? So lashes are on, we're gonna get to the next one.
In fact, I won't let you see. See what I can.
Foundation.
Primer.
Primer. Bronzer.
How can you fit highlighter? This challenge is going
We got highlighter, guys. We got a glow for the foundation on. That's the way it's done. We have to, let's just get to it, man. We're already feeling.
Okay, let's go. Let's go.
I am speechless.
Okay, so I've got Black Up X Jenny Jenkins highlighting palette.
Speechless.
We're just gonna go in.
Jesus.
I'm using Jenny Jenkins.
Jenny Jenkins.
Beauty by JJ.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah.
More down there. Oh my god.
Highlighter all over my pimples here.
It's fine. You're trying to highlight your people.
I think I'll put more so that it will show underneath the foundation.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
that's the way.
Guys, don't try this at home.
Hey, do not try what I just did here at home. Look at this too. Oh, I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm the one that picked highlighter.
No.
No, I did.
She did.
No, you did.
Oh, yeah.
Why you guys?
I don't know, Meg. Doesn't even put
They're trying to steal my shine.
I don't even know.
It's my turn.
Jojo, what is
She's
it?
not talking.
Lip liner,
Blush.
primer, bronzer. Bronzer.
How can we not pick foundation? Where is the foundation? Where did you people
I
pick
can imagine
foundation?
that foundation will be the last thing we'll end up picking. What can I say?
How am I going to see the bronze after foundation?
It's okay. Let's just bronze.
We'll
It's fine. All right, I'm using.
Did you go right
bronzer.
contouring?
Yeah, we did.
How can we bronze before contouring?
This is how it is in 2018 now, Jojo. Get with the
We are lighting
time.
fires. Like,
Yes, you gotta bring a fire
don't worry.
extinguisher.
When you see me, just hold your fire extinguisher and
Yes.
just blow.
Mine's not hot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on down, cheers. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
They are not sponsoring us.
No,
they are not,
wait,
we are
no,
not
no.
shouting again. Just
We're using Unkel.
Are you sure with this foundation? We can just end it here.
We're still
Actually, it
covered.
already looks like JoJo has foundation on.
It's true. I know, right? I don't like you.
Let's get.
Oh, right. Nose contour. I'm hoping. Okay, my next is next.
Extra now.
Got my hand shaking. All right. Next. All right.
Hey, this one that she will just.
It's foundation.
It's primer, sweetie. No, it's better. It's better. Do you want to put primer on top of foundation?
Oh, primer. Primer.
Okay.
We have primer now.
Okay.
This is the Ordinary High
Adoration.
High adherence
Adherence silicone
wait,
primer.
grammar.
I'm going to apply the primer
No, that's
I'll put it-
cheating.
What's cheating?
on the areas we
Without
are
the yeah.
I can't even apply it on the area because I've already like bronzed my face. Everything just like messed up. Don't try this at home. Beginners.
Please do, so you can let us know how it is.
No, don't.
Don't.
Don't. Like my glue is rubbing off.
Alright, primer is on. Next.
Okay.
Please be foundation. Even concealer.
I doubt it because this paper is small.
Ah.
Blush.
Your brows.
Oh, that's fine. Yeah, we'll look less of an alien today.
Brows.
Brows is fine. Alright, we're gonna do our brows
We need to do
now.
our brows now.
Why do you look
I'm
sad?
tired. I'm sad. This so serious.
Browies,
You
I
know
didn't
what?
even think about
It's
brows.
completely out of her control. That's what she doesn't like.
Yeah. Okay, we're looking more of a human now. I'm looking like a dark
Wait, so
human.
now only may remain. Oh.
Oh, it's okay.
That one, that
There
pencil
is
shows
gold,
up
though.
more
Yeah,
than
that's
her.
What is this?
You gotta have that crazy friend in
Who
your
does
life.
What normal people do this?
You know, one time I wanted to come up with a challenge of doing your makeup while you're driving.
Who invented?
Blush.
Oh my god.
That was a quick round.
Eyebrows are done. Eyebrows are flick. Hey, Lord. Foundation. Contour. Oh no. Whew.
She picked contouring.
Okay.
Contour, guys.
We're gonna contour after we've just bronzed our face. We are gonna go ahead and contour our
Contour.
cheek.
We are going to contour.
Like, I don't understand. What are we doing?
We're contouring.
Contouring, John.
Okay, this is the Primark My Perfect Color Moisturizing Foundation Stick. Do you want to use this? It's a contour shade.
I'm using using my makeup geek scandal. That one.
But this one, no, this is the pasha.
Which the pasha?
No, you need to do cream contour. Yes.
Cream to contour, no powder.
Nice try. Oh, nice try.
Oh no.
It's not bad, you know. It's okay.
This is not okay.
It's coming together.
Yes.
Look at consolation coming together. Consolation. We know how to apply makeup. Don't think we
Do
don't.
we? Some people don't think.
On
we
a
do.
different day, our slay is different.
Our slay.
Don't blend the highlight with the brush, Jojo. I see what you're doing.
What?
The brush is going on top of your highlighting powder.
They did not say
No.
don't blend.
No.
They said apply this. My blending game is my blending game.
No.
They didn't, you can blend. Better
no.
blend out your
Look
highlight.
at that. I'm saying no, but I'm like, what can I do? you don't want to blend away your highlighting powder. You're looking on fleek already.
Oh, can we apply highlight after the foundation?
What highlights?
So we are done.
Yeah. Let me see this. Oh, chipmunks are quick.
I'm scared.
God, answer her prayer.
Our foundation. We have foundation. If we be eyeshadow, it will be funny.
Just open the paper.
Foundation.
It's not foundation.
Is it now?
Eyeshadow.
Setting spray.
Setting spray. What?
Well, you have to set the
How
highlight.
can we set a makeup that we are not even?
It's okay. We just need to glow.
We
It's
set
fine.
the, yeah, exactly.
Look at me going. Yeah. Let's set it.
We set
Yeah,
the glow.
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Add more.
We are set.
Are you putting that as spray? Are you alright?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, cool. Let's speak. There's less more. There's less left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 left, so we're good.
It's
Foundation.
It's no.
Setting powder.
How can you keep setting powder?
It's fine. It's like the powder before
No,
foundation.
you don't understand.
Proper setting. You can't just.
No.
Alright, now we have option white or brown.
Please give me white.
What's wrong?
I'll use Sasha.
Ladies,
Let me use what I always use.
Don't say white or brown.
Brown.
No.
Well, look like Auntie Alicia.
What about us?
Well, you're using yellow too.
No. Normally, what would you use? Say you were
I'll
doing your
use
makeup seriously.
both.
White and
She
then
used the
brown
white.
for cut.
So use the white.
Don't cheat, they know you.
So
So
I
I
just
came in
applied
using
custard powder.
Sasha.
Yeah, we're using Sasha.
I don't want to cut my cheek. My cheek is cheeked already.
I'm looking at myself from afar like.
And it's fine.
It's like, yeah.
When she's that's when she knows that it's not good.
I look like Cynthia's ex-husband.
Oh,
How you doing?
starting to.
I'm trying to pick who I'm gonna cheat on my wife with next.
Okay, so I need to cut my.
Why are you looking white?
Is it blush?
Eyeshadow.
Oh, that's okay. That's fine. That's fine.
Just pick foundation so that I can cover this.
Yeah, I know. That's fine.
The last one.
Oh, and you know what? We can't use concealer to
No, because
prep our eyes because we didn't pick concealer. We're gonna speed through this eyeshadow, okay? Because I don't want this video to be.
yeah, there's
Too
no
long
point.
for
There's
your-
nothing to learn.
Yeah, you can learn how to not do your makeup,
Thank
okay?
you.
Can we just do one color?
Yeah, I'm doing 2 colors.
I'm doing 3-step eyeshadow.
Ah. Hey, Auntie
great.
Reese something.
Can you open it?
I think it's foundation she
I
has.
can say C.
Concealer.
Concealer.
That's good. I don't mind that. I don't mind that. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with concealer.
Hallelujah.
Look, I'm even so okay with it that I'm going in quickly. Before we change our mind.
So how do we blend this concealer with the highlighter?
Right.
You just always come with it.
Okay, I'll just apply some.
No, apply what you usually apply.
I always apply
Jojo. No, you don't. This is not how you apply your concealer.
This is how I apply my
No,
concealer.
you are like, your pants are on fire, Jojo.
I don't want
Apply
to do it. I don't want
concealer. Okay, cool. You're good.
I don't
What
care.
are you doing?
I'm checking my highlights.
You're feeling yourself.
I'm feeling myself.
Just pick one. I think this is foundation.
Yay! Look of relief.
Foundation, and I'm glad I'm using NYX because it's not full coverage, so all the highlighter will still show a little bit, so that's fine. NYX.
Not your foundation, you are just using it to cover everything.
Because you know how excited I am?
Because they say foundation, now you want to use it to cover everything.
I still look light though.
Not really, you look like your
camera.
skin is coming back.
Actually, you can still see my contour. Oh, there's 2 left. There's only 2. No, you got it. It's okay. Next one. Coming to an end. Aren't you happy? Blush.
Yeah.
Blush.
Oh yeah.
That's fine. Blush is good.
Yeah, we need that.
We'll
now.
use
You
that
know,
to
guess what's gonna be next? What's next?
what's the last thing?
Don't guess.
Lip
I'll
liner.
open it.
Lip liner.
There's one missing.
It's
There should be 2.
Nobody has opened that one now.
We haven't selected concealer. Oh, we did.
we have.
What did we? Oh, we just did.
It's been a long day.
I was
she-
looking
she's
forward to
forgetting
that.
things.
I'm just going to use sleek flush.
Please don't spoil this makeup.
Using elf.
You guys can't look no more. It doesn't look fun anymore.
See, we've brought it all
Enemy
together.
of progress.
Last one.
Hallelujah.
All right, they got my lip liner out because I know it's lip
Yeah,
liner.
it's lip liner.
Is it?
It is.
No, you just ripped it too. Lip liner.
That's a wait.
All right. I don't want the paper to change its sign.
This is Primark crayon, lip crayon, something.
Dropping everything. Do you need the sharpener? Okay,
It's good.
yeah, this is MAC chestnut.
I'm back to business.
Oh, this lipstick is crusty now. We're the man.
If anybody say this makeup is not looking fine,
We're coming for you.
send me your picture on IG. Let me see. Let nobody say nothing.
Don't say nothing.
We don't want to hear it.
We don't want to hear it. You're looking good. Get pose. What are you doing?
Slowly.
Hey, mama. Are you kidding me? Where them day?
We did good.
Where them day?
Ah.
Okay. Okay, guys. So this is it. What do you guys think? Did we do well? The lucky thing was the fact that we chose foundation last, or foundation came to us last. We didn't choose it. The game did, but you know it was great.
The foundation make the look
Come together.
come together.
Yes, it did. So
There's nothing foundation can cover. It can cover all your sins.
all your
Yes.
sins.
Amen.
Amen. 2018 is gonna be lit. Yes, it is. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Try this challenge out as well. And comment down below how you guys went. Okay.
Yeah, do it
Don't
for
forget to go and visit their channels. Okay. As she just said, do it for fun. And what was the favorite part about this challenge? Comment down below as well. So what else have we got to say?
Thank you so much for watching. That is all we have to say now.
Yeah. Thank you guys for watching.
We got to go
Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you.
in the next one.
Yeah, in all of our
Next one.
videos.
In all of our next
In all of our next ones.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Peace.
Love yourself.